Welcome to our updated guide on how to send a sticker on Snapchat using your Android device. Let's make your snaps more colorful and expressive with these simple steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your chats. Choose the specific chat you want to send a sticker in and open the chat to proceed to the next step. Now, within the chat, look for the sticker icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to bring up the options for adding stickers to your snap. Select the stickers option by tapping on it. This will open up a variety of sticker choices for you to explore and use in your snap. Browse through the available stickers and choose one that fits the vibe or message you want to convey. Once you've found the perfect sticker, simply tap on it to add it to your snap. By following these easy steps, you can enhance your Snapchat snaps with stickers, making them more fun and engaging. Add a touch of personality and creativity to your snaps by incorporating stickers that reflect your style and mood. Stay tuned for more Snapchat tips and tricks to level up your social media game.